Welcome to my lovely lunatic Leo life, and this vlog is about my solo trip to Thailand that I took last November 2019 before all hell broke loose. So I did a little vlog then, but now that I'm getting more creative with my video editing, it's only right that I show you the amazing time that I had on my solo trip. It started off with me going with 6 people, then ended up me going by myself, but honestly, it was meant to be. And on my trip, my whole motto was whatever happens, happens, it's meant to be. I wasn't scared. I wasn't worried. This is before Rona. I was Rona free. I went to Chiang Mai for 4 days and then to Phuket for the last 5 days. And it was just such a relaxing trip. I did so much in Chiang Mai. Every day I had something amazing going on. So this is what you're about to see. I'm in a tuk-tuk in Thailand. Like, this is so surreal. Stay tuned. Miss Ace Chronicles, my lovely lunatic Leo life. Bitches. Hey, so I've made it safely. Thank you for all your well wishes. I'm in my hotel room about to shower. I really don't know if I'm going anywhere. I'm so tired. But we'll see. We shall see. I'll keep you posted. Cha-ching! Dollar bill, y'all. So they have something like Uber. It's called Grab. You can either grab a car or grab a motorbike. Guess what your girl did? I'm bugging because I'm going to be scared as hell. I called for a motorbike. A motorbike to come and get me. So I'm in front of my hotel waiting for my Grab motorbike to come. I'm a little scared. I'll keep you. Yes, guys. I'm on a scooter. This is an Uber scooter. I'm so scared right now. Look at all the cars behind me. He's doing a good job. Nathan is doing great. I'm on a fucking Uber scooter. Oh my god, y'all. I'm terrified, but I'm loving it. But he brought me to my destination. This is the moment I've been waiting for, the cow hat lady. I took a motorped over here, a scooter bike. Oh, but she's not here. Oop, yes she was. And I mean the cowboy hat lady. I keep saying the cow hat lady. Alright, so I'm trying this out for the first time. The cow hat lady, cowboy hat lady. Everybody's been raving. It's good. It's not what everybody was telling me it is, but this is stew pork. You can get a cold boiled egg, soft boiled egg, some pickled greens. Alright, so I sure am being very adventurous. First was my Uber driver that was a motorcycle or motorped. Now I'm in a tuk-tuk. Look, I'm in a tuk-tuk. The motorped was something else, yo. First of all, my driver was scrawny as hell, and I had to wrap my arms around him. So I didn't hold him too tight because I would have squeezed the life out of him. And when I moved, I felt like I moved the whole bike. But he got me to my destination safely. Luckily, it wasn't too far. But now I'm in a tuk-tuk in Thailand. Like, this is so surreal. So I just discovered my hotel has a rooftop. So I came up here before I go back to my room. Hello. Good morning from Thailand. I'm up early. It's like 7:30. I'm gonna get some breakfast, and then look, everywhere I go, leather candy accessories goes with me. So I've been on a scooter. This is my guide song.
Hi, hello.
And we're going up to the mountains. And I've so far been on a motorbike for about 30 minutes. And we still have a lot more to go.
Yes, yes.
So I'm excited. I was scared at first, but he got me. I'm good now. So the motorbike tour consisted of going up mountains and 4 different waterfalls and an elephant sanctuary. But the day after this is a full day of elephants, so that was a whole nother experience. But we also stopped and got some food in the mountains. We visited a village. It was just super dope, super dope. And I'm proud of myself. I was terrified at first. So today was a wonderful experience. I was riding the motorbike all day. We're not done yet. We're in the mountains still, getting something to eat. I'm gonna try some cow soy for the first time. I saw it everywhere when I was looking on YouTube. About to have a beer. It's a little nerve-wracking and scary. Thank you. Ooh, good. Thank you. Kapkunka means thank you. So I just got my cow soy. It's arrived. It's like coconut and curry. All right, so this is the cow soy. Noodles in there, and then crunchy noodles and condiments, and some good old Thai beer. So, day number 2 in Chiang Mai. It was an amazing day. Today, I actually went to the fucking mountains. Like, I was on the scooter all day. Like, we drove. Now, when I say I'm driving the scooter, I'm not talking about in a little rinky-dink park. No, we were with cars and other drivers who drive crazy. The thing about it is, they don't really, they drive crazy here because there's no rules, it seems like, but nobody honks the horn, okay? So that was amazing. And saw some beautiful views, and then went to another waterfall. So, I left, they picked me up from my hotel around 9 o'clock, and then I got back to my hotel room at 5. So this was a lot of bike riding. And honestly, it was a little scary sometimes when I'm turning the corners. I'm still trying to figure that shit out. But the first corner I turned, I almost got hit by a car, yo. I'm not even exaggerating. Then I joined a group a while ago when I knew it was coming on Facebook, and it's called Brothas and Sistas in Chiang Mai. You guys think I travel a lot. Yo, half of the people at the table, 2 people actually, live in Chiang Mai. Brothers and sisters of Chiang Mai do weekly Sunday dinners at different restaurants, and you get to meet and discuss with other travelers, and I love it. So dope. The fact that I was able to just do stuff outside of my comfort zone, riding the scooter all day. I had a dope tour guide, and another guy was with us. He's from Israel. He was pretty cool too. And so it was just us 3. I just was like, yo, I'm really in a scooter in Thailand up a mountain. It was such a dope day, and this is only the beginning. This is only a full day 1. Tomorrow, like I said, is my day with the elephants, and I get to walk with them in the jungle. I get to bathe them, and I get to feed them. So it's gonna be an all-day thing. But I've been up since 7. Mind you, I'm 12 hours ahead of you, so my whole shit is fucked up. But I don't feel so sleepy. I was a little sleepy earlier, but now I'm good. But anyway, thank you guys for the well wishes. I am safe. Hello, I took a fucking scooter up a mountain, okay? A mountain. It wasn't cold. It was hot as shit too. I was sweating the whole time. Is it cold up there in Jersey? Anyway. The moment I've been waiting for. The whole purpose of me coming to Thailand was for the elephants. My whole heart was full. This was such an amazing experience. is really happening. I'm really with the elephants walking into the wild camp. Look at this one, and look at that one. Oh, uh-oh. Oh my God, that sounds scary. We also pounded some vitamins to feed to the elephants. I can't recall everything that was in it, but it was rice, caramel, some bananas. It was all nutritional. So we fed them, we hand fed them, and we walked with them while they played in the woods or the little jungle. There's 3 mountains that they have access to. They're not in cages, they get to roam free. And so when you're looking up elephant sanctuaries, you just got to make sure to research, because some of them treat elephants poorly, or you ride elephants, but this one was nothing like that. So I definitely did my due diligence with the research. I will put it's Into the Wild Elephant Camp. I'll put the Facebook link in the description below. But this was amazing. This was so awesome, and my guide was sexy as hell. Did you see him? Ooh. Another amazing thing was, usually they have 15 or more people in a group. It was only 3 of us, me and a couple from UK, who we keep in touch with. They're so cute, and they got engaged on their trip in Thailand. Okay, so there's 3 different barbecue places. This is an all-you-can-eat buffet barbecue. This is Korean barbecue, and I don't know what that says, but I think that's barbecue too. And there's another one over there. So out of which one do I want to go to? Korean. Try it. And it's right across the street from my hotel. This Korean barbecue came with no instructions. This right here, I thought was dipping sauce, but it turned out to be where the oil drips. So I did taste it a few times, and I did pour it on my food a few times. I was like, where's this mess coming from? And I noticed, oh, that bowl I was dipping stuff in was not for me to dip in. It's for me to let the oil from here into there. I need instructions next time. I've been waiting for this day for ever, and it happened, and it's gone just like that. Yo, the day with the elephants today was something so spectacular. Just to even be in their presence and them acknowledging your presence is amazing. There's actually 3 mountains surrounding the area. He got the first elephant from Burma, and then the rest are from Thailand. It was all females. There was 1 boy, male, but he was like 5. There was 3 5-year-olds. Everybody else, and by everyone else, I mean elephants, was female, besides the 1. And then the 2 older ones were 35 and 40 years old. And they were just so graceful and amazing. Definitely recommend Into the Wild Elephant Camp. And it really is in the wild. Good morning from Chiang Mai. Getting ready to go to a cooking class now. And I'm ready. That's what I got on today. Leather candy accessories, of course. And this is amazing. I don't know why I'm obsessed with how they bag things. It's like a bubble. But she showed us the different types of mushrooms. We're gonna use some ingredients we're gonna use. Like for instance, this is for tom yum. This is the set that we're gonna use. It's a lot of different smells. It smells so good in here. Everything is fresh. That's the difference between going to the market and the supermarket. You have a lot of fresh ingredients. Um, and here's a lot of different interesting things. I don't know the names of some of these items, but this is it. So you see it's green everywhere, all fresh. Peppers, lots of chilies. You know they use chilies. I think Asians. I got my farmer's hat. It's huge. So we're gonna go to the farm and take a look around. At this cooking school, I chose the all-day option. They had a half-day and an all-day option. So basically, I was there from about 10 to about 5. We took a break in between. It was a place to even relax. They had some chairs you could lay out on and cushions and outside. So it was like the roof above us. It was like an open door, like it had a roof, but it was open. There was no walls, so we were really outside, as you can see here. And it was just dope. I was so happy I did this cooking class, and it's a lot of ingredients that it takes to cook a lot of Asian foods, and they love their vegetables.
Fried rice.
So I don't know if I will do too many Thai dishes at home, but these are some awesome dishes that I cooked. My last night in Chiang Mai was a ladies' night. Some women that I had met in the Facebook group chat that I had mentioned to you earlier, Brothers and Sisters to Chiang Mai, we went out to dinner, and we also went to have some drinks. So this was the fun I had with these ladies, Danica and Embrya. Danica's from Canada, and Embrya, I forgot where from the state she is, but Danica was on a 6-month trip throughout Southeast Asia, and Embrya was already in her 4th or 5th month, but she was still planning. She was going to Australia after she left here. Amazing black women. It was a pleasure and an honor to meet them and to hang out with them. And everyone we saw was so friendly. They are very friendly in Chiang Mai versus Phuket. Hey, it's Miss A. Got a lot to say on all the things we go through within the day. Politics, dating, recipes, traveling, and yep, of course, I'm the karaoke queen. Hip-hop. I take no L's. I'm always booking flights. This is my lovely lunatic Leo life. Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room? This is my lovely lunatic Leo life. Kaboom! Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out episode 2, Poppin and Phuket.